All right. Hi, everyone. This is my first video to go along with my first podcast episode of Istanbul's Everyday English. And I'm making this video because my first podcast episode talks about numbers. We're talking about, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in the numbers, especially when we do ordinal numbers, meaning like the 5th of the month, the 12th of the month, we really use TH, the TH sound. And many non-native English speakers struggle with that sound. So I thought I would put together a video so that we could explore how to say that sound. So first of all, why is the TH difficult? Well, basically because not many languages besides English have this sound. So we've got English, Arabic, Greek, Welsh, Albanian, Icelandic, Spanish, and a few languages found in India such as Tamil and Hindi that do have this sound. So that's about under 10 languages. Now, about 88% of the world speaks 200 languages. So if we do the math, 0.5% of languages that are spoken mostly in the world have this TH sound. That's why it's a struggle, because it's a unique sound. It's an unfamiliar sound. So individuals who don't speak these languages we just mentioned, they actually don't even have the musculature. That means the muscles in the face and the mouth to even support this word, to even say it. That's kind of a problem. But we can, just like I can build my arm muscles and my leg muscles, I can certainly build my face muscles to support the sound. I just have to keep practicing. But because many people don't have the muscles to say this sound, their brain and their mouth, they substitute the TH sound with other sounds like T, D, so like T, D, F, V, S, or Z. So I'm asking you to train your mouth, face muscles, your brain to form the TH sound and not use these other sounds. I know it's hard, but I know it can be done because I have many students who have done it. Now, there are two distinct TH sounds in English, a soft TH and a hard TH. Now, let's look at them both and learn how to say them. For both sounds, to start off, we're going to put our tongue between our teeth, our upper and lower teeth. Okay, so watch. Look, that's a bit too much, but just try. Maybe put it out more than you should so that your face and your brain get the message. Okay, then we're going to blow some air out of it, out of the shape. Okay, so we're going to go. Now, my little note says if your tongue's inside, like people do this or they go. Okay, you're getting the air a bit, but we need to go. That's correct if your tongue is outside, okay? Like I said, I'm over exaggerating, but I want to show you. Now, for the soft, we don't make a sound. There's no vibration in our mouth or our throat. It's like a sound, but it's instead, okay? Words like think. Say them with me. I'll leave space. Thank. 3. Thin. thumb, 30, math, teeth, both. Okay, so maybe, rewind the video, try it on your own a few more times, and just keep it soft. Think, 3. Okay? Now, think, 3, 33. Thank you. These are all really common words in English, so it's worth it to practice this sound. Now, what about the hard TH? Okay, the tongue position is the same, right? But we're going to go like a Z. So you're putting some voice to it. It's a voice sound. Soft TH is an unvoiced sound. Hard TH is a voice sound. Let's see some words with this hard TH. Okay. This. That. Practice with me. These. Those. The. We use the a lot in English. It really, if you can say the or close enough to that sound, it really elevates your English. People are saying da or va or wa. You can do it. You can say the, their, they, mother, father, brother, weather. All right, so again, pause the video, replay it. All right, let's do it again. This, that, those, they are there. So you can feel it. They are there. Okay? All right. So, again, we don't want tink, dis, vi, them, that. We don't want it. You honestly, you can do it. You can make the. So just stick your tongue out. Just practice even just sticking your tongue, not at other people. Just practice like that, in the shower or something. All right. Think this. 3, they. Thin, then. Thank you for this. So this is the contrast, the soft and the hard. Think, soft. This, hard. 3, soft. They, hard. Thin, soft. Then, hard. Thank you for this. Thank you for watching, and I really hope that this video has helped you to say the sound, the TH sound. Like I keep saying in this video, you can do it. I know I've had students from all over the world who have done it, and it just takes practice. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Look for more videos that I will be putting up for the podcast material and also in general for featuring other problems that ESL learners have when learning English. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.